Hello and welcome to this MyCredits tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reward your customers for taking specialized actions with your business. What do I mean by this? You can reward people for signing up to your newsletter or booking a call with your company. Basically, any app that connects to Zapier, you can reward them. So you can kind of see my dashboard here. I'm rewarding people for signing up to our newsletter, which is connected to MailChimp. You can also do it with Infusionsoft. It really doesn't matter. As long as the app connects, you can reward them with MyCredits as many credits as you would like. So let's jump straight into this. As you can see in my dashboard, how you're going to do this is you're going to set it up as a product offer. As you can see here, I have sign up for the newsletter. This would be the same if you're booking a call. All you do is you go to create offer, you fill out the form, you put the URL of the booking or the lead magnet. For me, I'm doing a newsletter, and on the test account we have here, my Bob Smith, I'm sending people to the home page because I want them to fill out this form. And as soon as they fill out this form, I'm rewarding them with 5 credits. And you can do the same thing for booking a call like through Calendly or any booking software. So what we're going to do, I already have one set up, so I'm just going to click into this. But you can see that they're going to earn 5 credits. So you want to set this up here so that they can actually see that they're going to earn X amount of credits. So let's click in here. You want to put the name. Soon you actually won't see anything here. It won't matter what type of integration you have set up, but it will be Zapier. And then you're going to put the URL of wherever they're signing up for this offer, or wherever they can redeem this offer. For me, this is the homepage of our site, so that they can sign up for the newsletter. If you have a specific calendar on your booking software, you can just direct them directly to that calendar so that they can earn those credits. And essentially it'll look like this. So you can, add your description, tell them how many credits they're going to get, how it works, and then you just put the price here. So I could change this to 10 credits. It doesn't really matter. One thing I will say is that when people were taking simple actions like this, like signing up to a newsletter, you don't want to give them too many credits. Really, I'd probably just give them maybe 2 credits or something like that. Because if they're buying a product from you that's maybe $30 or $100 or whatever it may be, you don't want them to earn 100 credits for signing up to your newsletter when your product costs $100. So you want to kind of balance that out and scale those things appropriately. So yeah, so what we'll do, I'll go ahead and just call this two credits, and you can put your thumbnail in there. After you do that, you just hit confirm, and you'll create your offer. So now anyone in your account will see this, and they can redeem it at any time. So what we'll do now is we'll jump over to Zapier. Inside the description of this video, you can go down. I have the actual link, so you can click that and get it set up. But just make sure that you have a Zapier account. And what you need to do is you need to search for MyCredits up here. It won't work if you try to set up a Zap and search for it here for whatever reason. We're currently in beta, so it works very well, but there's a few little quirks here. So just search for it up here. Just type in MyCredits. When you do that, it'll show up. Once you get to that page, just click this button and go through the steps, and then it will be added to your account. And then you can start making Zaps using MyCredits. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we're getting anyone that signs up to my newsletter, they're getting put into a MailChimp list. So what I'm going to do is push them into MyCredits after they enter this specific list. So I have this audience set up. If you have Infusionsoft or any other type of software, you have either tags or lists, it doesn't really matter. As long as you are setting up this app properly, you can reward those people for credits. So let's jump right into that. I'm just going to click here. So here it is, sign up to MailChimp newsletter, reward 5 credits, Bob Smith. So all I'm doing is going to, you set up your Zap as you would any other Zap. So I have my MailChimp app connected. I'm choosing if they're a new subscriber, and then I choose the proper account, and then you choose the specific audience or list. So if you were using a Calendly or some type of scheduling software, you would choose like the specific calendar. If there is no choice there, you can also add filters to filter people out. So how you do that is you would go to, let's say it only connects to your entire scheduling account. You don't want to reward everyone necessarily for booking a call if you have like different businesses all using the same account, whatever it may be. So what you would do is you'd set up a filter, and you did something kind of like this. So let me show you. You would say only continue if it's not really popping up here, but essentially you would select like the name. It should prompt you for like event name or something, and then you could say exactly matches, and you would say like the exact name of your calendar. So we'll just say Bob Smith demo. So anyone that books inside your app, it'll only give them these credits if the actual calendar they scheduled with was called Bob Smith demo. That way you can filter out people that are booking other types of calls so that they aren't rewarded the credits here. So that's how you would filter people out. That's kind of an advanced thing. Some of you might not need to do that at all, but I just wanted to kind of show you that just in case you are having issues with that. So what I'm going to do is actually remove this step. I'm just going to delete that. And now let's get to the fun part. So once you have the first step created, you can go to choose app and event. We're going to select MyCredits out of your list. Once you do that, right now all we have is create customer. Soon we'll have update as well. But if you're doing this, most softwares will prevent any duplicates from being added, so you should be fine there. Connect that, and then choose your account. And right here is where you want to make sure that you add their email. So you just go to this list, you go down. So for instance, I'm pulling in this field here, and then full name. How I did this, I'll show you, is I go to the first name. So merges F name, any of these should work. And then I put a space so I can put the last name in as well. There we go. So now it'll pull into the system properly. And then this is where you reward them with credits. So you can choose, 5 credits, 10 credits, 1 credit. It doesn't really matter. I would definitely do a whole number. But yeah, and that's where you reward them. And then the reason is the name of the reward. So you won't see this in your account as a company, but your customers will see this as in like, oh, I watched this video, or I signed up for this newsletter specifically on this day. So whatever the name of your calendar is, or what the name of your newsletter, that's the title I would put there. Once you do that, I would just hit continue. And if you really want to see how it works, you could always sign up to your account as like a fake user. Don't connect your PayPal and kind of go through this process. And I'll show you what this looks like once they do that. So I'm logged in as Bob Smith Coaching now. And if I go to users, I tested this with one of our customer accounts. And you can see I have Sarah Super, that she earned 5 credits for signing up to that offer. So if I click in here, I've also watched some videos as well, offers completed. Actually, let me go to activity. And there you go. I can see that I earned those 5 credits then. And yeah, so that's the gist of it. Basically, any app that connects to Zapier, you can reward people for. So if you have any questions, just contact support, and we can help you set up these integrations. And yeah, you guys have a great day.